Welcome back to the shooting channel from South Africa. I wanted to take you on this journey, so I'm sorry about the quality of the filming because it is done by me, but I've had such a fantastic safari for the last 4 days. I wanted to take you on the journey that I have been and show you what a fab country South Africa is. So I hope you enjoy this program. Please comment below if you like this sort of thing, and we will hope to bring you more of this in the future. We have reached Rhino Ridge Safari, and we're going to be showing you some exclusive animals of the big 5 that we can find. So we're going to give you a quick tour of the Safari Lodge to show you what's here and the fantastic scenery. Safari. Here goes. Welcome. As we're coming down to the lodge, this is the main entrance of the lodge. Into reception. The main restaurant where guests can have their breakfast, lunch and dinner. The bar, and then the veranda looking over the national park. The views are stunning. Look and see as far as the eye can see. lodge from the front. And this is where we saw the elephants on the first night. And then back past the lodge to see the facilities they have. So if anyone is thinking of booking a safari, this has all the facilities you would need. And you get to see the big five in South Africa. Look at that view.
Okay, my name is Blessing Mngomezulu, and I'm working at Rhino Ridge Safari Lodge, which is a private lodge inside Hluhluwe Umfolozi Park. Hluhluwe Umfolozi Park is about 96,000 hectares, and it's the biggest game reserve in KwaZulu-Natal, and it's the second biggest game reserve in South Africa. Here, the community are working together with a park in tourism side. And also what we have here, we have a big 5 animals inside the Hluhluwe Umfolozi Park. And we also have a lot of a private game reserve outside the lodge here or outside Hluhluwe. And those private game reserve, they also do lots of hunting. People, professional hunting, they hunting for horns of the buffaloes, horns and the skins of a kudu and a nyala, and also there is also a meat, and all of that, it also goes back down to the community to benefit and have more opportunities of jobs.
How do you feel now?
Something.
Lovely.
That's a female, that's a female, that's a male.
Yeah.
It's a female, it's a female, it's a female.
Yeah.
All of them are females.
Yeah.
It's easy. Look at the size of those horns.
Yeah.
The boys, that's huge, isn't it?
That's it,
compared?
Yeah. Just be careful of standing up.
Yeah.
Oh, he's taking pictures.
Oh yeah, that one is moving that side.
Yeah.
It's normal that there will be one male and many females.
But
Yes, that is very normal. The pollen can be taken through the hairs around the lips as they move from one tree to another. It can be blown by the wind, and the pollen transfer can take place. Yes, so they said it's possible that it can happen with the giraffe. how they feed themselves, how they strip, how. And then she's pregnant as well. Gestation period of the zebra is 12 months. Yeah, 1 year. That's why when they give him birth, the baby is big enough to be able to. Grass eaters only. They if it's a dry season and the grass is dry, normally the leaves would fight, still be greenish, then they will have to switch to browsing for those really short bushes with leaves.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, if they're lying down, it's less wind for them. There's grass. But I think the better position for them to go is on the other side.
Yeah.
Because on this side the wind
Yeah,
is.
it's that wind.
Yeah. But I think it's
Yeah.
not that cold for them, so it's okay. Yeah, zebras. Hi everyone, my name is Simo. I'm a guide at Rhino Ridge Safari Lodge in South Africa and the province of KwaZulu-Natal. I'm a guide here. I'm doing driving safari job, but I have a shooting competence. I did shooting, and just before I became a guide, I was working as an anti-poacher. So obviously, we had to handle the rifles and to use it to patrol. And then yeah, it's something very good for everyone to have it, because it's not only just for the job, but at the same time, then I mean, just to have it for fun, for different stuff. It differs country to country. Some countries you have to do it just for protection, protect yourself and your family as well. You know, yeah, it's something very good to do.
That was my African adventures in South Africa. I hope you enjoyed this. Please like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button for more content like this, and we'll see you on the next one.